Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We talk to people all the time who've been involved in car accidents, and a lot of the topics that we talk about deal with car insurance, and it's always surprising how few people really understand every aspect of the car insurance that they have. So many people, when we go through their list of coverages after a crash, many people have what's called collision coverage. And collision coverage is a really good thing to have, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But they don't sometimes understand how the collision deductible works. So I want to talk about that for a few minutes in this video. So collision coverage is an optional coverage that you can buy to protect yourself if you're hit by someone who doesn't have property damage insurance to pay for the damage to your vehicle, or someone who doesn't have enough coverage to pay for the damage to your vehicle, or it will pay if you're involved in a one-car accident. Let's say, for example, you slide off the road and run into a telephone pole. Well, collision coverage will pay to repair your vehicle if it's involved in a crash like that. So every collision coverage that's offered comes with a particular deductible. And the way typically the deductibles are in increments of either $1,000 or $500. I've even seen $250 deductibles on collision policies. And the way that the collision deductible works is, let's say that you're involved in a crash with a vehicle that's uninsured and the damage to your car is $10,000. Well, the insurance company is going to pay $9,000 of that damage, but you're going to have to pay, if you have a $1,000 deductible, you're going to have to pay $1,000 to get your car out of the shop. And then the insurance company, many times, if they can find a way to collect money from the other driver, the at-fault driver, they will collect their money and your money and usually give you back the percentage that you paid. So let's say that the insurance company collects all $10,000 from the other driver, then they'll give you your $1,000 back and they'll keep $9,000 for themselves. So determining the proper deductible often just comes down to budget, because typically a higher deductible is going to lead to a smaller monthly or quarterly premium on your car insurance bill. So if you can afford the $1,000 deductible, then your monthly premium or your quarterly premium is going to be a lot less than it would be if you elected the $250 deductible. So a lot of that's just going to depend on what you can afford. But having collision coverage is still a really good idea, particularly in light of the statistics that just came out a few weeks ago that I actually did a video on recently that shows that 20% of all of the cars on the road in Florida are driving around without any insurance at all. So that means that 1 in 5 of the people around you on the roads don't have any ability to pay for the damage to your car if they do something stupid and run into you. So if you have any questions about collision coverage in general or collision deductibles or really anything having to do with Florida car insurance, please call us. We love to answer questions. You can call me at 407-254-4901. You can always text us at 407-644-4444. You can always email me directly to my inbox at kmc@cullen-hemphill.com. If you like this video and want to see other videos like it on topics with a broad range of topics on personal injury matters, you can always find more videos like this on our webpage at cullen-hemphill.com or our YouTube channel. And if you would like to see more videos like this one or be notified when we put them out, hit the subscribe button or hit the bell, the notification bell below, and then you'll get a chance to see videos and be notified of videos as soon as we put them out.